Hey, Dan here, 3D Auto Repair. Living in the Midwest, we do have to deal with salt and rust, all kinds of things that deteriorate our vehicles a little more rapidly than we would like. This particular Windstar, the guy called up and said he was noticing some holes in his rear axle, wasn't quite sure what was going on there, and wanted to make sure his vehicle was safe for his family to ride in. We brought it in, lifted it up, and sure enough, the spring pockets where the springs sit in the rear axle were rusting out, and actually one of the springs had actually gone through that pocket. One of the things that we can have some difficulty in is sourcing parts for these vehicles as they get a little bit older. The manufacturers are only required to supply parts for so long. We were able to find a used one for the customer that was in really good shape. We got it in here to the shop, got it replaced for him, got the vehicle back on the road so he and his family could feel safe while doing their normal activities day to day. These are the types of things that we do specialize in here at 3D Auto Repair. So if you have an older vehicle and you want to make sure it's safe, we would be happy to lift it up and inspect it for you at no charge, just to make sure that you can be comfortable while driving your vehicle. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop, and please share the video so we can get this information out to anybody who might need it.